Alright, so hey guys, it is February the 2nd, or excuse me, February the 1st actually, and it is, as you can see, 41 degrees outside. The roads are clear, but it's a little chilly, if you can't tell from all the white stuff. So, we're rolling out of Eagle Mountain in Saratoga Springs, Utah. Of course, right in front of us is Mount Timpanogos. Beautiful this time of year, and of course it's about 5:30 in the evening. So just going out for a quick little jaunt, testing out the new microphone. Hopefully you can hear me good, and not too much wind noise, and getting some good views. .38 degrees. As the sun goes down, it's starting to cool off. So I wonder if everyone that does this actually listens to themselves and thinks, is that really what I sound like? So this is actually my first motovlog. So I'm hoping it turns out pretty well. This is a brand new camera, new mic setup. Hopefully I have it positioned correctly. So, and there's the infamous Utah Lake, frozen over. We're going to go down here and turn around, head back. Maybe we can get a better shot of the sunset coming back in. It's dropping as we speak, and my face is starting to get pretty cold. This works for me. As you can see, the illumination from the sun on the mountains is starting to go down. Wow, it looks like the clouds are starting to roll in as well. Doesn't want to run, it's too cold. Sorry, my nose is running. And there's the sunset. That's a green arrow. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you made it this far and I didn't bore you to death, I appreciate it. If you don't mind, please like the video, subscribe. I'll be making many more, especially as the weather gets better. We're going to do the segment's going to be predominantly, obviously, motorcycle riding. We're going to do some camping, and then just some good general fun. We'll do some runs to the bars and all that kind of good stuff as well. Maybe shoot some video as well. So that's kind of an intro to what we're going to be about, and hopefully you guys enjoy it.